Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? A couple of days ago, Shiba Inu made an announcement that they were entering the metaverse, and they came up with Shib, which is a ticker symbol for Shiba Inu, SHIB, Shib, the metaverse. And I started thinking to myself, I'm not really worried about getting into the metaverse, but I do see this as a golden opportunity where Shiba Inu coins could actually go up in value. So your boy is deciding to add to his Shiba Inu holdings and purchase some more Shib. And in this video, I'm going to purchase it right here, right now. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. More importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. So if you only have a little money to invest, you are in the right place because you don't need thousands. You don't need hundreds of thousands. I'm going to show you how to do it with a minimal amount of money. And with all that being said, do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helped the video get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Okay, what I typically like to do is jump right into live coin watch. I like to see if I'm about to make a purchase, what the coin has been doing lately. What is it doing today? What is it done in the last 90 days? I'm not really going to go back that far, but I'm not going to go searching for it. I'm going to go up here to search, and I'm going to type the symbol, and I keep challenging everyone, learn the symbols. SHIB, notice as soon as I type that, it's Shiba Inu. It's currently trading at 0.0004026 Now, the all-time high is 4089. It is up to date, 0.59%. In the last week, it was up 6.16%. In the last 30 days, it's up 15.22%. And it's down 17.18% in the last 90 days. But what's crazy, in the last year, it's actually up 13.2000%. That is bananas. I just kind of wanted to get in here and see what the coin has been doing. And now that I've done all that, what I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and purchase more Shiba Inu, and I'm going to go over what I already have in my account. Let me go over here and pull up my phone here and click on this here. Right here, you can see we do have, and I'm going to minimize this. I don't want this in the background. And it said face not recognized because I'm not looking at the screen, but let me go ahead and try Face ID again. Face ID, and we are in. As you can see, I am in my crypto.com account. I currently have $2,915.66 in this account. I'm going to go and I'm going to show you a couple things. I already own Shiba Inu. First and foremost, I'm going to go to Crypto Earn because I do have some money staked with Shiba Inu. I'm going to scroll down here and find it. And right here, I actually have 10 million Shiba Inu tokens, 10 million Shib already staked. And my earnings, I've already made 4,383 tokens. I've earned those tokens just from staking my money for 3 months. And I'm going to go back here. I'm getting 2% interest on this. It's not a lot, but I'll take 2% over no percent any day. Then if I go to my crypto wallet and pull up Shiba Inu, I have another 2,289,528 tokens here. Now, what I'm going to do real quick, and it's not going to take a lot of time, is I'm going to go to my fiat wallet. You always have your money in your fiat wallet. I currently have $27.25 to invest. I'm going to go here, and again, I don't know why crypto.com will not let you just put in a dollar amount. I've tried it, and if somebody know, man, please tell me. But my goal is to buy another 1 million Shiba Inu tokens. So let's see if I can get there. And it's going to cost me $26.53. I have $27.25. Once I click this buy button, it's going to ask me to confirm. I am buying 1 million Shiba Inu tokens for $26.53. Now, before I go any further, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational information purposes only. Make sure you do your research before investing any money. The price has updated Now, I'm only buying $26 worth. Again, we're investing on a budget. I'm going to hit confirm, Face ID, give it a second. That's it. That quickly, I purchased 1 million Shiba Inu tokens. Now, if this Shib, the metaverse, blow up, your boy is going to be in the parade. There are two type of people in this world. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and get me back on here while I say this. And let me go ahead and close out my phone and get that closed out. Pull that out and go ahead and minimize that. Let me get me back on the screen here. There are two types of people in this world, ladies and gentlemen. There are those in the parade, and there are those that watch the parade go by. Now, I just went to the parade, but I am in it somehow because I own Shiba Inu tokens. Again, I'm not telling you to purchase any. I'm just showing you what I just did. And if this happens to blow up from the whole Shib, the metaverse, I'm not going to be just in the parade. Right now, I'm in the parade. I don't know if I'm in the middle or the back, but if this blows up, I'm going to move somewhere towards the front of the parade. That's the kind of way I like to think about this. Or I could sit here and hear people talk about it or read about it and not make any moves, and then that's the person that's on the sideline watching the parade. Hopefully you got some out of this video. Tell me, are you invested in Shiba Inu? Do you have any coins? Do you have any tokens? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. As I end every video, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you, baby. And until the next time, I will be dropping more heat. I will be dropping more fire. And I will be dropping more knowledge. And until we meet again, peace, baby.